Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good morning to you all. Here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins. 5 commemorative coins were up for guessing in this video. 4 commemorative 50p's and also a £2 commemorative. So let's get straight into it. The first coin was the close-up of the 1998 EU 50p coin, the EU Stars, as we like to call it on the channel. Coin number 2 was that £2 coin, the remake of the Britannia, featured on the £2 coin. This one first released back into circulation in 2015. Coin number 3 then, we've got the lettering on the edge, we've got the N and the J, and this comes from the most common of those Beatrix Potters, 13 different designs released in total. This one is the Benjamin Bunny. We move on then to coin number 4. Apologies, this one is a little bit blurry, but it definitely did not stop everyone at home guessing it correct. The number 31 on the screen, the 31st of January 2020, from the Peace, Prosperity and Friendship with All Nations. It's the Brexit 50p. Coin number 5 then, and it is another Beatrix Potter coin. One of my favourites. Good day to you, sir. It is the Mr. Jeremy Fisher. 5 coins then were up for guessing. The question is, did anyone manage to guess all 5 of those correct? And the answer is, yes, they did indeed. In no particular order, we have got Norman Graham, Yellow Lighthouse, Shep, Adam, Finn Collects Coins, Terence Day, and also Squirreling Coins as well. Everyone give a huge shout out to those 6 people. I am going to do another close-up coins coming up this evening. And again today we will be crowning the community coin hunt finder of the week. Again, I am on holiday, so I won't have all of the coins on me. I actually only have the coins that I found this week on me, so I will have to maybe get a few pictures of coins that we've found before for the prize presentation. A huge shout out again if you have been lucky enough to find any coins this week. Please do let me know your coin finds in the comment section so I can give you a shout out on Sunday on the community coin hunt find video. Have a blessed day everyone, stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.